Welcome back. Goa is now becoming the educational hub for Afghani and other foreign students. Over 150 Afghani students are studying in different colleges in Goa. They find Indian education more advanced than their native countries. They have now got acquainted with Goan and Indian culture, and some even speak a bit of Konkani. Many of these Afghanis are more interested in going back to their country and contributing to local development. Rakesh Kandolkar reports.
Shah Mahmood Himmat is a BBA student in Don Bosco College, and he is the foreign secretary in this college. He has been studying for past 3 years in Don Bosco College. He is among some 150 odd Afghan students studying in Goa. Some Afghanis are also studying in Mumbai, Pune and other Indian cities. They have got scholarships from Indian and Afghani institutions. They find Indian education much better and want to give their best to pass out with flying colours.
The education system in India is better than our country. So every year more than 500 through ICCR scholars and through private personal, they are coming here for study because we want to learn their systems of teaching, their knowledge. We want to share these all things to our country.
So whenever we are going to college for buying some things, first to have a good social behavior with the people, we are telling them Kusaso, Gatmare. When we are going with Sibaramare like this, to have a social relation with them. And also Goa is for us very safe place.
Sure, I will be going to my country because I came here to learn something, and after that I will be going to serve my people.
Some Afghanis are good in sports and take part in various tournaments. Mohibullah has brought medals for his college in bodybuilding. There are Yemeni students too studying in this college.
Sport industry basically has a tremendous growth right now in Afghanistan, and many Afghans love to do sports.
If you want to study BBA in my country, that will take you 4 years. But here, it will take you 3 years.
Principal of Don Bosco College, Dr. Mari Raj says, performance of these foreign students is very good and some have succeeded abroad.
Many of the students who have passed out now are doing, some of them are still studying, but one or two who had come in somewhere in 2005, they have been able to get good corporate jobs. They are moving to North Europe and some of them in Dubai and all that, those countries.
Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
It's a real horror sight at the old Bamboli village. There is a decade-old forgotten building, totally neglected by government authorities. The project was named as Satellite Earth Project. Locals informed that it was once a full-fledged project with huge machines and staff working in the complex. But now it is deserted. A special report.
Look at this so-called complex. It's really in a complex state. Nobody knows its status. The ruined building is situated in Old Bamboli village. It was once a big project. Local people of Bamboli say that the building was then named as Satellite Earth Station. It had 2 blocks, one for the machineries and another as a headquarter block. The locals told us that there were huge machineries installed in this complex. The machineries were amounting to crores of rupees. But now there is nothing. Local people were also employed for work in this project. This project is almost 25 to 30 years old. The villagers of Bamboli of that particular area informed that there was a board outside the complex. The board read as the project by the government of India. But some years back, the compound wall along with the board was demolished. The gates of the building are shrunk. There is no security nor any equipment. What one can see is a horror sight. Nobody knows what it is. Nobody knows whom it belongs to. Leocardo Montero, a local resident of Bamboli, sought to know more about the construction. But shockingly, even RTI application did not yield information. State has no clue about the project. Then whose project is it? Why is it lying so?
How come they are not aware about this project? When there was such a big wall compound there, this was the board there. They have removed that board. They have even demolished the wall compound. I'm fighting and fighting for the justice. I want to know who have demolished this wall compound.
It still seems like a mystery that a complex is totally non-functional. The place is deserted.
I am demanding along with the RTI the full details, asking for the survey number.
Authorities have neglected and ruined the place and the project, or the so-called satellite Earth station. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.